Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by confirming the treated area is intact and not sunburned. This prevents further damage. Once done, cleanse with a gentle, fragrance-free wash to remove oils, pat dry. Next, choose a mild exfoliant, either a physical scrub using 1/2 cup baking soda mixed with water or a chemical AHA at 5–10%. You test a 1-inch patch for 24 hours. This explains the how and why. Tolerance tells you whether to proceed safely. You perform deeper exfoliation carefully. Use gentle circular motions for 60–90 seconds to shed pigmented cells without tearing skin. Once rinsed, immediately apply a stabilized vitamin C serum or 4–5% niacinamide to interrupt melanin overproduction and help brighten. This is why chemical agents follow exfoliation. Make sure to space sessions 48–72 hours apart and limit to 2–3 times weekly. If you see persistent stinging, pause and let skin recover before continuing. You finish by locking in results. Apply broad-spectrum SPF 30+ every day and reapply every 2 hours when outdoors. This prevents rebound pigmentation. Once exfoliation stops, maintain barrier repair with a ceramide-rich moisturizer and avoid retinoids until irritation resolves. If discoloration stubbornly remains despite 6–8 weeks of care, seek a dermatologist. They can offer stronger topical agents or procedures. If you get unexpected swelling or worsening pain, stop treatments and consult a clinician immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.